In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your sort code and account number on Revolut. By the end, you'll know exactly where these details live in the app and how to copy them safely when you need to share them for payments. Start by opening the Revolut app on your phone. At the very top of the main screen, you'll see the account selector. This is the area that usually shows your current balance and the currency you're viewing. Tap that area to open the list of your available accounts and currencies. Now make sure you're on your British pound or GBP account. This matters because sort codes are specific to UK bank accounts and they won't appear if you're looking at another currency like EUR or USD. If you're seeing an account in a different currency, simply switch to the one labelled GBP so your UK details are displayed correctly. With the GBP account selected, look for the three dots on the screen. This is the More menu. Tap it to reveal additional options related to your account. From there, choose the option labelled Details. This is where Revolut keeps your essential banking information for that specific currency account. On the Details screen, you'll see two key pieces of information, your sort code and your account number. The sort code is a 6-digit number that identifies the bank and branch for your UK account, and the account number is the 8-digit number that's uniquely assigned to you. Together, these are what you typically share with employers, clients, or anyone who needs to send you a bank transfer within the UK. If you need to share these quickly, Revolut makes it easy. Next to each item, you'll see a small copy icon. Tap the icon to instantly copy the sort code or the account number to your clipboard. When you paste them into a message or a form, take a moment to double check the numbers match what you see on screen to avoid any payment delays. A quick tip on security: while your sort code and account number are generally safe to share for receiving payments, treat them with care and only share them with trusted sources. Avoid posting them publicly or saving them in unsecured notes. And that's all there is to it. Open the app, select your GBP account from the top. Tap the three dots for more, go to Details, and you'll find your sort code and account number ready to view or copy. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you locate your Revolut banking details quickly and confidently.